Hello, how are you doing? Career path, aerospace, aviation. Most frequently asked questions from students. Let's take a look. Question number one. I am a 10th student or a 12th student and I wish to grab a job in aerospace or aviation industry. What are my choices? Um, you must be a student exceptionally good in maths and physics. Okay, that is 90 percentage plus. Aerospace career means you are into ISRO and you go there and pursue your career. Whereas in aviation, the three job types are A, executive, that is, you becoming a pilot. Number two, service, like air hostess, ticketing, logistics, cargo. Ground duty, third one, which is a technical job where you get involved in aircraft maintenance and preventive stuff, preventive maintenance. Now let's take a look at pilot. Um, Exceptionally good students, they go for pilot. What you need is you have to do a engineering, most recommended, and then you do a pilot license course, which is called CPL, commercial pilot license. It is 18 months to 2 years course. In India, there are 43 institutions. Make sure you do the Google and go to the right and the best institution possible. Here is the catch. It's very expensive, highly expensive, 18 lakhs. Okay, but it's a glamorous career. When you start, you get paid 3 lakhs per annum, and it can go all the way up to 15 lakhs once you're experienced. Well, what do you do if you can afford such a hefty 18 lakhs course fee? Where you don't know whether you get a job also sometimes, yeah, right? It's a risky one. So the alternate option is, especially if you are a highly motivated student with great aptitude, you should be able to clear this entrance test from Air Force. Okay, and there um, you could be a pilot, a fighter pilot for Air Force, and they also offer you ground duties, which is technical also based on your strength. Okay, and the next type of job, which is service, you need to do a BCom with aviation or a MBA in MBA with aviation. Okay, which helps you get into this service sector in aviation. For ground duty, you need to do a course called AME, which is aircraft maintenance engineering. Okay, where you could get into this um, type of job. Here's another interesting thing. If you really want a job after 12th, your best shot is clearing the NDA entrance test. Okay, um, the defense academy or army will also make you a fighter, a pilot, if your strength is suitable for that. Okay, you can be a fighter also, fighter pilot also. Make sure you start your preparation from your 10th itself, of 3 years rigorous preparation, and clear this test. So that's it. You are done. You can be in aerospace or aviation industry. Question number two. Why specialization courses like aerospace is not recommended at graduation level? Well, aeronautical or aerospace is a specialization. So generally, you do such things in masters. Okay. Why? Because at degree level, one must focus on basic courses. Okay, basic engineering like BTech electronics, BTech electrical, and BTech computer science, things like that. And the reason being, with such background in graduation, you could apply for any job and you have more further study options. It's very important. Whereas if you pick up a specialization subject in graduation itself without doing it in masters, you are limiting yourself. Okay, your job opportunities are limited to aerospace industry, which is low in India, and that requires you to travel abroad for more jobs, etc. Yeah, I agree that the passed out graduates are low, therefore low competition, but so are the job vacancies. They are also low. Okay, so it's highly recommended you do a basic learning basic subjects in graduation and come back to post graduation or masters and do the specialization. Now, please note that being a 10th or 12th student, you do lot of daydreaming. Okay, that's the age because you get attracted to pilot uniforms, the fighter jet, the vigorous fighter jets, the adventure in it, the high pay in it, etc. But once you complete your engineering or degree, you have a better life outlook. You get better exposure to life. There is age maturity. So all this put together will make you relook at your desire with a better reality in front of you. Okay. So put all this into perspective. It's highly recommended you do the specialization only at the masters. Okay. Okay. So we're done with that. Moving on to question number 3. What if I am a super student? Wanted to do specialization subject in degree itself at any cost. I'm ready to bypass the standard learning path. Okay. If that's the case, you must secure seat in country's top institute because you need placement at any cost. So that means IIT, NIT and other top private colleges which 100% guarantee your placement. Your career will be either as a pilot or an ISR. Okay, what that means is you must be an exceptional track with student track guy with high aptitude in maths and physics, that is 97 percentage plus. You must prepare for entrance, engineering entrance, that is 4 years preparation starting from 8th standard. Also, please note most of the local state government colleges, engineering colleges doesn't offer aeronautical or any specialization courses. Okay, I'm done with it. All the questions. Please read the disclaimer. And on a final word, I hope this guidance was some help to you. Thank you for listening. You take care. Good day and all the best.